Tired of that dreaded disk-full message cramping your Ubuntu experience? Let's jump right in and explore how to give your Ubuntu installation some much-needed breathing room when it comes to storage. First, back up everything important. Data loss is your worst enemy, and it's essential to determine what's currently using space and what partition type you're using because the approach varies. Open your disk utility. Graphical tools allow for visual disk space management. Identify the hard drive that Ubuntu is installed on. The first method uses existing free space. If you have unallocated space already on your hard drive, click on the partition of your Ubuntu installation and then resize and drag the partition. Confirm the changes, and your storage should be increased. Another technique is repartitioning the hard drive, which involves shrinking and expanding partitions. However, note that this method carries greater risk, but it offers more flexibility in redistributing space. Again, in disk utility, delete any partition to get desired space, then create a partition, and then use a live USB to reinstall. Logical Volume Manager, or LVM, is a more advanced solution. This allows you to manage storage more flexibly. You create a physical volume, then add it to a volume group, and finally create logical volumes within it. LVM allows for online resizing, which means you can expand the storage without rebooting, making it efficient and less disruptive. These methods will help to expand your disk space in Ubuntu for better flexibility, expand your memory, and boost your drive's overall performance.